This is the Vevor wall-mounted folding power cage, and full disclosure, they did send this to me for a review. Now, this is a pretty cool setup. It all works pretty well. It's all nice and solid. There's a pull-up bar up at the top, and this is also adjustable, so you can move it up and down a little bit. You can see the 3 different holes you can put it in. And it's basically like a threaded rod that kind of sticks through here, and then there's this nut on the back side, and that's what holds it on. And then there's these 2 barbell holders, just your standard metal J-hooks. And of course that one is the same exact thing, just mirrored to the other side. And these are nice and solid, the welds look pretty good. And they do also have some thin rubber pads on them to help reduce the noise. And these are pretty adjustable. You can set them all the way down to pretty close to the floor. It's just about a foot off the floor there. Or you can set it all the way up to here, just about eye level, about 5.5 feet tall. And I do really like how they have all of the numbers cut out of them. Makes it really easy to match up both sides to make sure they're both at the same level. And they say the weight capacity for the holders here as well as the pull-up bar is 500 pounds. And I think each hook can support 500 pounds for a total of 100 pounds on the barbell. But anyway, moving along down at the bottom here, there is this little holder that is on a swivel. And I did actually install this incorrectly because I, well, to tell the truth, wasn't exactly sure what it was for. It's actually supposed to be flipped upside down and installed through the bottom hole here. These 2 pieces are supposed to be a little bit higher up. And basically what this would be for, it would kind of look a bit more like this. And you're going to stick the end of your barbell into here. And then on the other end of your barbell, you're going to stack it up with weights. And then this will kind of act as a pivot point and allow you to do some landmine rows. But anyway, down at the bottom here, there are these nice large feet, and they do have some rubber protectors on them, so it's not going to scrape up your floor, which is very nice. Of course, same thing on that side. And then attached to the vertical bars at the bottom here, and then at the top, there are these horizontal bars that connect the whole frame into the wall. And it does give you a bunch of expansion screws that you can use to mount it to the wall, but just for this demonstration, I just used a couple wood screws and washers. And I just set it up like this to test it out. Works just fine. It's not pulling away from the wall, but for a permanent setup, when you do figure out where you want it, then you definitely should better secure it to the wall. But anyway, you can see it does have these 2 metal channels that go on both sections here. These help space out the pieces so it stays nice and square. And once you do have this thing all the way bolted down, it is actually really solid. With the 4 different mounting plates, it does give a really secure connection to the wall. So as long as you mount it up properly, it is really solid. And at the moment, I don't have a barbell to test this out with, so I will just kind of show you with the pull-up bar. And I do have it set a little bit too high for my room here, kind of bump my head on the ceiling. But apart from that, you can see it is plenty stable enough. It's nice and solid. Nice grippy pull-up bar, and even if I do kind of flop around a bit, the whole setup is still very solid. Feels pretty solid shaking the frame as well. But anyway, one of the main benefits of this rack is that it actually folds up kind of flat to the wall, which will save a lot of space. And to do that is very simple. All you have to do is go to each one of the 4 horizontal posts and pull out these pins here. And then you're going to detach the pull-up bar here. Just untwist these like I showed before. And you can see a little bit better what the ends of this thing look like now. Just these thick pins with some threads on the end. But anyway, after you do pull off that bar and pull out all 4 pins, then you can very easily pick these up and rotate them in. Just like that. Does also help if you remove these to get it completely flat. And there we go, just like that. Now this thing's basically flat to the wall. It just sticks out about like 3 inches or so. And there are a bunch of holes in here, so I guess if you wanted to, you could hang this up on there. Maybe not the best idea if you have kids around though, because you can't really get this on the backside to secure it on. So if someone does try and pull it off, it will come out. But anyway, like I said, very good way to save some space. Very quick and easy to fold up as well. Also, you will notice here, these brackets do have a bit of a gap here. Just a tip when you're installing these, try and install them so the bar is on the bottom side instead of the top side like it is here. And then I'll just make it a bit easier so you can actually pick the whole thing up and then twist it in. More like how this one is down here with that large gap at the top. But yeah, I mean, like I said, as you can see, this thing folds up nice and flat. Great way to save some space. Very easy to fold up as well. Literally takes less than a minute. And then when you're ready to fold it back out, just pick it up and fold it out. Very easy. Then you can connect back up the top bar and put in all 4 of the pins. ones. But anyway, just really quickly, here's how it came packaged. It came in a pretty long box, which of course is necessary because the vertical posts are each one single piece. But anyway, pulling everything out, here are all the different pieces that came with it. Nothing too crazy here. And then here's a look at the hardware as well. And then as far as the assembly of this thing, nothing too complicated at all. You're just bolting some different pieces together. Of course, I would recommend using a ratchet wrench instead of the cheap ones that come with it, but either way should be pretty easy to put together, and it took me maybe 20 minutes to assemble it. And yeah, overall, I'm very happy with how this thing turned out. It's really sturdy, really well made. It's all very well put together. The pull-up bar works great as well, and this thing is super easy to fold into the wall and fold back out when you're ready to use it. And just overall, if you are looking for a more space-efficient power cage, then I think this one is a great choice.